This video is going to cover how to add multi-digit numbers. Now, in another video, we have already discussed one strategy, so one way to solve multi-digit numbers by adding. In this video, we're going to talk about another strategy that we can use when adding multi-digit numbers. Remember, at any point, if you need to pause or rewind this video, you may do so. Don't forget to take notes. If there are any questions that pop up as you're watching the video, please jot them down on your notes and bring them to class so we can discuss them further. Let's get going. So we're still going to use the same problem. We're still going to be looking at 264 plus 351. What I'm going to do this time is I'm going to break these numbers down into numbers that are a little bit easier to add in my head. So I'm going to just rewrite the problem right in the middle here so that it's just a little bit easier for me to show my work and do all of this. And I'm going to start with 264. So 264 can be broken down into 200 plus 60 plus 4. And then, don't forget, we're adding these numbers together. And now I'm going to break down 351. So 300 plus 50 plus 1. So there are a lot of numbers there, but they look a lot nicer to add than 264 plus 351. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add together the numbers that have the same place value. So I'm going to start with the hundredths place. So 200 plus 300 gives me 500. Now I'm going to move to the tens place. 60 plus 50 gives me 110. And then 4 plus 1 give me 5. Now, you can go ahead and just add 500 plus 110 plus 5 at this point. Or if you really need to continue to break it down further, you can break this down a little bit more. So we're going to keep the 500. We're going to break the 110 down. So 110 is 100 plus 10. And then we're going to just keep the plus 5. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to add everything together. So 500 plus 100 plus 10 plus 5 is going to give me 615. And that's it. So again, this is another strategy. There's going to be another video that's going to show you another strategy, but there are tons of different ways. And the two ways that you've seen so far might not necessarily be the ways that you have learned how to add multi-digit numbers, but maybe they help you to understand it a little bit better. So again, if you need to rewatch this video, please feel free to do so. Otherwise, I'll see you at strategy 3.